thank you guys for watching another video. This video is going to be sports massage. We're going to be working the quadriceps and the medial side of the leg as well as the lateral side of the leg. And when we flip our client over in the prone position, we're going to go over the hamstrings in the prone position as well. So these are the common muscles that start off, running, wrestling, swimming. These are your power muscles on the front. These are the ones that get fatigued more than others, except for the calves, which we'll do next time. But we're going to go over the quads. So how we warm up the quads, we're going to use our cream. Now, if this is pre-event, before the event even starts, we do not use cream, only a little bit, a tad bit, just about that much. So this is after the event. We're going to calm our athlete's legs down. Or if you're in the mood or your athlete, they do have time for massage during the Olympics or whatever it is, you can use full cream, like everything, just how I just had it in my hand. So you're just applying your cream or your lotion or whatever you're going to use to slip and glide, coconut oil, whatever people use these days. And all I'm doing is slow strokes. And then after the leg is warmed up, I move into faster strokes. And I'm pumping that blood, moving the blood towards the heart, towards the body. Right, she's nice and warmed up. So now I want to work the top of the quads. So working the top of the quads, I like to strip the quads. So stripping, we're not here to give somebody a full-on, petrissage, effleurage type of massage. I want to strip into these muscles. I start at the kneecap, right down here. And I'm going to show you a closer view in just a minute. So both thumbs like little birds flying away or back. Right at the top of the kneecap, at the top of the patella tendon or bone. You're pushing in and you're moving slowly. As the skin will start to ripple, don't worry about this. It will move underneath your thumbs like such. And you're just moving slow. A little painful for the athlete, but it feels great afterwards. Now this thumb, my right hand thumb, stops here. This hand keeps on going. Because if you keep on going with your right hand, it could be a little bit suggestive, so be careful. Same thing, start at the lower point of the lower ligament for the quads, which is connecting to your patella tendon or patella. Move on up with both thumbs. So now that you did 2 passes, now I want to work the medial side of the legs, but let's go ahead and try to do something deeper. If somebody doesn't want thumbs, if they want deeper pressure, what do? You can do double palms if you want to, pressing down. So I'm in my nice archer stance, like I'm about to pull a bow and arrow or whatever, little archer stance. Hands come together, like about to throw a fireball or something. And then press into the legs. And my body weight is forward. So if that's not hard enough, you're going to have to use your elbows. So elbows, grab a little bit of cream, just a little bit. Palm, get those forearms. And elbow. We don't want any greasy elbows or ashy. So when I'm starting in, I'm always crossing over the kneecap into my position. So again, that's over. And then glide down. If they want more pressure, when you're gliding down, hand goes on top of your hand, and then you really, really lean in. And you check with your client, how was that? That wasn't too bad?
Okay.
Perfect. Nice and slow. So let's go over those moves again at a closer view so you can see what I'm talking about.